Module 1. This topic will be the Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Laws Enforcement Commission, ABLE, on-premise and off-premise employee license program. Information to be covered in this module. Number 1. The intent of this program. Number 2. Who needs an ABLE employee license? Number 3. The time frame to get an ABLE employee license. Number 4. If no one on duty has an ABLE employee license. Number 5. Age requirements to obtain an ABLE employee license. Number 6. How to replace a lost, stolen, or destroyed permit. Enrollment agreement. By taking part of this seminar, you agree to not to consume alcohol or to be under the influence of alcohol or any other intoxicants while taking part of this course. To satisfy this seminar's requirements, you must attend and be present for the duration of the seminar. At the conclusion of the seminar, a final exam will be given. A score of 70% must be achieved in order to pass the exam. You may not refer to any of your notes or discuss any information with others during the exam. Upon passing the exam, you'll be able to print out your certificate. In the event your certificate of training is lost, stolen, or destroyed, you can log back into your account and reprint the certificate. The course you are taking is for both on-sale establishments and off-sale establishments. While both licenses sell spirituous liquor, the avenue in which it is sold is different. This program is tailored to be specific to both avenues. Seminar objectives. Now let's talk about what we hope to accomplish during this course. By the end of this course, you should understand Oklahoma laws concerning underage sales, Oklahoma law concerning sales to intoxicated persons, legal penalties for illegal sales to minors or intoxicated persons, recognizing fake identification cards, recognizing signs of an intoxicated person, rights of an establishment to refuse service, dram shop laws and liability, legal hours of operation, sales and consumption after hours, prohibition against employees drinking on duty, methods for eliciting information from patrons with questionable identification, strategies on how to refuse service when necessary.
Hi, my name's Len Riggs, and I'll be the host of this seminar for you today. A little bit about my background. I have been in the restaurant/hospitality business for what seems like forever in one vein or another. In fact, I wrote this program from the eyes of what you as a server or a bartender or an owner as a manager goes through.
Hey, you two, how are you tonight?
Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing well, thank you. Got some ID?
Yeah.
The fact that it's a very tough business, and the fact that alcohol is a big part of our business.
A major part of the hospitality and beverage retail is alcohol sales and service. With that comes a responsibility to those who sell and serve. This seminar has been produced to give you the tools to do your job and to help keep our community safe. The intent of this program is to provide all persons who work in an establishment that sells and or serves alcohol the knowledge they will need to not overserve drinkers, not serve intoxicated persons, and to keep alcohol out of the hands of those who are under the age of 21. One primary purpose of the Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Control Act is to educate persons employed by licensees to sell or serve alcoholic beverages as to the provisions of Article of the Oklahoma Constitution and the Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Control Act, with emphasis on recognizing and preventing intoxication and particular emphasis on those provisions prohibiting the selling or serving of alcoholic beverages to minors. In order for you to know the laws, an approved Oklahoma ABLE employee licensee program must be taken. Any person who sells or serves alcohol must have an ABLE employee license.
In the state of Oklahoma, a person must have an alcohol license prior to serving or selling alcohol. Once they apply for that license, which immediately gives them the right to work, the receipt is a temporary 30-day license until the actual license is issued or denied within 30 days. Within 14 days of applying for the license, the person must attend an ABLE approved training course, and proof of that training along with a copy of the employee's alcohol license must be available for inspection of that person's place or places of employment.
The minimum age to obtain an employee license is 18. If no one on duty has an employee license, the establishment cannot sell or serve alcohol. This concludes Module 1. Let's do a little recap. You should now know the intent of this program, who needs an employee license, the time frame to obtain the license, as well as how to replace a lost, stolen, or destroyed certificate. You may now take the Module 1 quiz.